Eh, ano man siya?
Ayaw na good, pwede raman.
Dili lagi. Ari on, dili raman ni.
Hindi, kailangan pa rin ang tao.
Hindi ko eh.
Ikaw rin nagbutang. Malay ba na? Tapos lagi ikaw na rin nagbutang. Oo, balik mo.
Ay, malayo na sa upat.
Kabla ko ito nag-ana.
Dili mo pud pwede siya. Ay, ano siya?
Oo, yan.
Ay, balik na to.
Kapoy na nila ko yan. Balik na.
Tugod na kayo ng kalat ko, ha? Sa water jug.
Ay, basta ang kamot, day.
How many Filipinas does it take to build a bookcase?
Anak, te. Dili, te, anak, te.
Anak.
Ha?
Oo, anak.
Sakto lagi.
Siguro naman.
Ito sa ninyo.
Tuwad. Maliit lang yung tani na.
May kakita ni Lokiti.
Aray.
Di ba? 19 na.
Pila?
19 na.
19.
Uy, di mo sugod.
Dali ra na. Dali ra, babak na rin ito. Dali ra ito, 5 minutes ra. Muban pati noy. Dili gan.
Hindi na. Balik mo sa ID dito. Yung contact mo.
Mag-stay sa madali.
Ladies, can I ask you a question?
Di pag sundot yung
What, Marcos?
Why did you ladies not like my biscuits?
Ay, I like your biscuit, Marcos, but my
Okay,
teeth.
but I know you didn't like my biscuits because there are 6 out of 10 biscuits right here. If you like my biscuits, there would be 0 out of 10 biscuits.
Your biscuit is have no sugar.
I told you, put sugar that. You don't put the sugar. Biscuit is not supposed to be put
Oh my
sugar.
gosh.
That's your lunch.
Okay, alright, I'll eat my lunch.
Yan, saan ko na?
Mali na po yung Sakta na.
Isugo.
Sakta na dyan. Ay, namin. GC? Sige, pop up. Naasig dyan. Ito yung gingon nga laika. Kita na naikat na mong kante? Ako tayo si kauban? Hindi na gatong kauban yung mga atog kuan.
Hindi mo.
Jay, na kayo mga make-up, Jay? Nga naman.
Gusto ka mag-makeup? Hatag-hatag yung makeup?
Hindi mo ganun ang make-up.
Tuwad.
Tuwad. Hiwi man. Taas kayo na. Wala pa man. Inig ba?
Do you ladies need some tools or do you
No,
have
we're
to?
fine. We have.
So what is this going to be?
For the jar. For
Jar
the
rocker.
jar. The water bath.
Ano ang regalo din dyan, ha?
It's Girly's gift to you and Fatima. Press the...
Thank you very much, Girly. That's so sweet of you. Would you like a biscuit?
I already ate.
I didn't see you eat the biscuit.
Yeah, I did. Let's go. Let's go. Bye, Mang Kanor. Oh, ang kuyo mo yan.
Yeah, ladies, it's time.
Yeah, it's over almost done. Uy, native ah.
Bye, Mang Kanor. Yo.
Big Pumpkin, are you happy that I set your kitchen back up today?
Yes. Put this back.
Big Pumpkin's moving back into the dirty kitchen, folks. Whole single dad cleaned everything up. I gave you your tank back. Are you happy?
Yep. Hey, can you put this?
I had both of those up there, and you went and started messing around. That's why I like thick women, baby, because we can lift the water jugs. See, skinny girl couldn't do that. Because I like big butts and I cannot lie. And you other brothers can't deny. Got the dirty kitchen, actually replaced the light bulb. We're back in action out here. Shout out to Girly for buying the water jug container. Now, Big Pumpkin, listen. Put you another water jug on the bottom, and it'll help with stability because you'll put some weight on the bottom.
Can you?
Now you can leave that one up there.
Go get another one. Oh, it's in the inside.
Look at that, folks. We're moving on up in the world. I got Big Pumpkin stove back in action. She's got my tank. Here's Big Pumpkin. See? That's why I like a thick girl, baby. Because I like big butts and I cannot lie. Hey, you other brothers can't deny. That's a nice little gift that the girl gave us.
Yeah.
Shout out to you, girl. That's perfect. Look at that. Now she's back to having her stove. Can you tell me why the Ciroc girls did not enjoy the biscuits this morning? What was the chismes? Be honest. Are you very happy that I set your kitchen back up?
Oh.
That water hose did add some flair. Look at that, folks. OSD. Been working all morning for Big Pumpkin. So pretty today. They didn't do any cooking this morning. They did pedicure. Fatima did pedicure.
Because we're doing it in the Sunday. This is a broken.
Yeah, that's broken. So how many ladies actually tried the biscuits?
All of them.
And I didn't get one. Wow, your biscuits were delicious.
It's delicious like that.
The problem is you are the one who made the dough, so they're not really my biscuits. You made the dough, I baked them, but I took the rap for the biscuits not being delicious.
We should kick it up.
So whose fault is it really?
You. But you're the one who told me put that. I'm asking you. You said put to spoon of baking powder. Oh, you're the one who said that.
So it's all my fault.